I've got this white paint transfer on my passenger side mirror, and I'm going to use some turtle wax, super hard shell finish, liquid wax. Clean, shines, and provides durable protection. I've I've shaken this bottle up, mix it up well, open that up. I've got a clean rag. Just gonna put a little bit on there. It doesn't take very much. And there's actually cleaners or you know, like I don't know if it's actually pumice or just like things that will remove scratches and stuff, but this should remove that paint. It's really on there. Let's remove some of it, but not very much. Yeah, doesn't. I'm going to work on it. It is removing it. I'm going to work on it for a bit and see if I can't get that all out. Yeah, and I worked on that for a few minutes, and this is all gone. I'm just going to wipe off that excess wax. And, well, that looks nice. Quick and easy. Oh, I meant to say is there's abrasives in the turtle wax. It's really fine stuff to remove fine scratches and things, but there's enough there to remove that paint. And I think some of the liquids in that wax too kind of maybe even soften that paint a little bit, help it come off. But be sure and check out my other videos.